What's up guys? Today we're going to be installing a spoiler on my Tesla. So, what do you think we need? Obviously we need a spoiler, then we need this, and then probably this, and then maybe some wipes that I have over here, this. Because the car is dirty after bad weather, snow, salt and all that is on the car, so we gotta clean the surface first and then start installing the spoiler. So let's go.
I guess so. Me too. Did it come with this already?
Yeah. Looks pretty good, looks pretty long. It holds pretty well.
No, it's sitting on top of the thing. Here.
This is good.
I think this is good. No, it's closer to this thing. Why do you have
Closer?
to this that one? You're in the middle, so you can see. Make sure that the bottom lip is it lined up? The bottom lip, yeah. You can feel it, right? Just leave this much people. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Push on the spoiler now and hold a little bit so it sticks to the car. Alright, it was this simple. Just clean the surface, line up the spoiler, make sure you have someone to help you because otherwise it's pretty hard to line it up. And here's the final look. Yeah, sorry for the dirty car. Like I said, it's gonna keep raining, snowing and all that, so I still didn't go to the car wash, but other than that, the spoiler looks fire. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video. Peace.